Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn that how we can run a regression using SPSS. Using this SPSS, first we will need to upload data. So we can go from file and open data. In data there will be several options. If we select Excel, then we can see the file final data sheet. So we just need to open this sheet. uh, Here there may be several tabs, so we are going to select the average. We can say okay. So here's the sheet with several variables from the respondent, and already we have averaged out all these variables. So simply we can go to analyze. There are several options. At the moment we will be focusing that how we will run regression analysis, and in regression tab there are so many regressions. We are going for simple linear regression. Here there will be one dependent variable and one independent variable. So that is the simplest form of regression. We select the dependent variable and we will place it in the box of dependent variable, and then we will select independent variables. There may be several independent variables, depends on study to study. It can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or whatsoever. So select all those variable and import to independent box by clicking this button. So we have dependent variable and we have some independent variables. You can see the statistics option, so you can see its estimates, model fit. You can go for descriptives, and as per your requirement you can go for other options, but at the moment we are focusing only on these options. So beside this there are other several options, so we are not going for those options. We are simply going to say okay for home financing as dependent variable and service price knowledge and other variables as independent variable. So okay, so here it goes. We have these findings. In regression it's descriptive. You can see that we have given these variables. They have mean, standard deviation, n. So then we have a correlation matrix showing the relationship between all these variables, and then it shows that variable entered, like dependent variable is home finance and independent variables are Sharia, advertisement, choice, knowledge, price, repute, and service. So all requested variable entered. Here is model summary. It says us r square, adjusted r square. So adjusted r square is telling that these independent variable are explaining 85.6% our dependent variable. So next is nova table. Here we can only explain the f, which is 212, which is very high, and very high is always very good, so it's significant at 1%. It shows the model fit. And the last table, which is about regression, about coefficients results. So here is dependent variable, and these are constant and independent variables. So these are the value of beta. It shows that the magnitude of the impact, and then we can simply say t value and significant, which is also known as p value. So if p value is less than zero point 0.1, so it's considered significant at 10%, and if it's less than 0.05, so it is considered significant at 5%, and if it is less than 0.01, as it is in case of price, so it is significant at 1%. So if the value is more than zero point 0.1, it is considered insignificant, so it has no impact practically. So we can say in case of choice, in case of advertisement, there is no significant impact of these variables on home financing. However, price and knowledge can impact significantly, and we can also see that repute have a significant impact on bank home financing. Sharia also have a significant impact. choice is negative, but it's significant. And we can say that service is slightly significant at 5%. So this is all about regression analysis. Hope you have understand. If you have any question, please comment under the video so that we can reply you. Thank you very much.